Peppermint oil is commonly used to treat stomach and intestinal issues, including upset stomach, cramps, and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. However, it is important to note that this product should not be given to children under 8 years old. Additionally, some herbal and dietary supplements have been found to contain harmful impurities or additives, so it is important to consult with your pharmacist about the specific brand you are using. It is also important to note that the FDA has not evaluated the safety or effectiveness of this product, so it is recommended to consult your doctor or pharmacist for more information. As for the daily dosage and optimal timing, it is best to follow the instructions provided by your healthcare provider or the product label. When taking this product, make sure to follow the directions on the product package. If you have any questions, consult your doctor or pharmacist. If you are taking the capsule form, swallow the capsules whole. Do not crush or chew them, as this can cause the drug to be released too quickly, leading to an increased risk of side effects. Some brands may allow you to open the capsule and sprinkle the contents onto a spoonful of cool, soft applesauce if you have trouble swallowing the capsules. Make sure to swallow the mixture right away without chewing. If your condition does not improve or worsens, or if you think you have a serious medical issue, seek medical attention immediately. If you experience nausea, vomiting, or heartburn, it is important to inform your doctor or pharmacist. In the case of serious side effects such as headache, flushing, mouth irritation/sores, or severe stomach/abdominal pain, seek medical attention immediately. While rare, a serious allergic reaction may occur, indicated by symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It is important to seek medical help if any of these symptoms occur. Be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not listed here. If you are in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking Bowel Support-Irritable Capsule, delayed release, make sure to inform your healthcare provider if you have any allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other issues. If you have a history of heartburn, stomach or intestinal ulcers, liver disease, or gallbladder disease, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. The liquid form of this product may contain sugar and/or alcohol, so if you have diabetes, alcohol dependence, or liver disease, be cautious and ask your doctor or pharmacist about using it safely. If you are planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. This product is not recommended for use during pregnancy, so it's important to consult your doctor for more details. Additionally, it is unknown if this product passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before using it while breastfeeding. For the detailed uses of Bowel Support-Irritable Capsule, delayed release, it is recommended to take it as directed by your doctor. It is usually taken with food, 1 to 3 times daily. The dosage is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. The best time to take this medication is at the same times each day. Be sure to follow your doctor's instructions carefully. When taking Bowel Support-Irritable Capsule delayed release, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safety and effectiveness of your treatment. Always follow your doctor's recommendations for the best results. If someone has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Make sure to keep all of your medical and lab appointments to ensure that you are getting the most out of your treatment with Bowel Support-Irritable Capsule, delayed release. This will help your healthcare provider monitor your progress and make any necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Check the storage information on the package, and if you have any questions, ask your pharmacist. Keep all medications and herbal products out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed. Properly discard this product and it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more information. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.